Greetings traders and welcome back to another Quick Tips with Chris session. Today's quick tip will be make sure you are devoting a specified period of time for your trading activities. That means your trading studies as well as your literal trading. The logic is here that if we are devoting a specified time block or just an amount of time in general that we are going to devote to our trading related activities, we're going to treat it more as a responsible decision. We're going to treat it more as something that we want to do during that time, and we're going to devote our focus subconsciously to specifically that task, which in turn means during that period, we will find that we're more efficient with our progress, both in the learning department as well as the trading department, generally speaking, because we have devoted that time aside for trading. So remember, folks, in your trading day, find some time to devote specifically to trading and stick to that time block.